Today we're going to talk about our new ProBal 02, a dual-purpose power and video balun that will send both voltage and video from either TVI, CVI, AHD or analogue cameras. These baluns can handle resolutions up to and including 8 megapixel. The baluns can send CVI and AHD over a maximum of 250 meters if using Cat 6. However, please consider the power drop over these lengths, because for 12 volts the maximum should really be less than 90 feet, and for longer distances you would have to increase the voltage. These baluns can operate up to 48 volts DC. Another unique thing about our baluns is the size, something that's very important when trying to fit these into a small IP box or deep bass ring. If you compare that with the standard power balun and then ours. So that's quite a lot smaller than the standard power balun. In fact, our baluns are only a little bit larger than the standard non-powered balun. Another nice thing about our powered balun is you have two LEDs. The idea of the LEDs is provides diagnostics, just lets you know that the power and the video is travelling down the balun correctly and that things are working fine. It's very important to remember about these baluns and how you fit the Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable. You must follow the 568B wiring standard. This ensures a lower chance of interference travelling on the cable, and it also ensures that the voltage is applied to the camera correctly each time. Also, a nice feature about our baluns is that they can slot together, like so. This helps prevent cabling being dislodged and makes for a neater install.